The Enerpat MSC E-Series 4 Shaft Shredder is highly adaptable shared type shredding machine designed to handle a wide range of materials, from flexible to rigid, and especially effective with the metal-based waste. Thanks for its own shaft cutting system, it delivers greater shear force and higher torque plot. Compared to traditional dual shredders, it's engineered to proceed to ductile and high tensile materials with ease. How it works: material enters the shredder chamber and it's broken down through the coordinated shredding and tearing action of 4 rotating shafts. The shredder materials then pass through a screen with the output size determined by the screen aperture, ensuring consistent practice dimensions. Reinforcing housing design, built with a noise and tenon-welded steel frame for superior strength and long-time durability. Modular construction allows the faster installation, easier maintenance, and reduce the downtime. Heavy-duty shaft assembly shafts are made from high-strength 42 CRMO alloy steel, precision machined for maximum reliability. Hexagonal shaft cutter interface ensures strong torque transfer and a fast blade replacement right here inside. Equipped with the anti-wrapping fixed blades to improve shredding effectively. Rotating blades made from a high wear-resistant Billiger steel, Germany, and are full detachable. Customizable screen system, a variety of screens and are available and can be customized to suit different materials. Strict output size control for uniform and practical sizes. And let's see the power system right there. Power system, driven by dual Siemens motors, Germany, and the Boninen gearboxes, USA, provides a continuous high torque, low noise, low vibration, and a minimum energy loss. Built-in stock absorbing system reduce impact forces and extend drive system life. Smart electrical control, controlled by Schneider PLC system, offering intelligent, safe, and efficient operation. Simple user-friendly interface helps reduce labor and training time. Advanced safety design, fully compliant with the AUCE safety standards, integrated with lockable maintenance door, safety switches, emergency stop buttons, and overload protection. Support automated feeding and discharge with optional conveyors, saving labor and operating costs. Enerpat holds multiple advanced technologies in the 4-shaft shredding field, including specified bearing housing, modular chamber design, and independent PLC control. The MSE series is a true all-rounder in solid waste shredding ideal for industrial waste, multifunctional solid waste, medical waste, electronic waste, bulky waste, hazardous multiple textures, lithium battery recycling, whatever integrated in a standard part of full processing line. The MSE series is built for high performance, durability, and safety, even in the most demanding recycling environments.